This year I've been travelling non-stop, but my whole life I've called Sydney my home. Everyone knows Sydney for its beaches, the Harbour Bridge, Opera House, but it's not quite the same when the weather isn't on your side. So I'm going to show you how I like spending a rainy day, and I'm taking you, my best mates, and the brand new Sony ZV-E10 II along with me on this journey. Let's go! What you just saw was a 5 AM sunrise mission, and I'm just glad we didn't see complete fog. But now it's time to hike deep into the forest and find a hidden waterfall. If you didn't know already, these are the Blue Mountains, and this is where I go when I am searching for adventure in any weather. It is home to huge sandstone cliffs, forests and waterfalls, but after hundreds of stairs, we're still trying to find a special one to show you. And that's how I like spending a rainy day in Sydney. The ZV-E10 II is an incredible camera. Subscribe and stay tuned for a review. And if you want to learn how to color grade your videos like how I did here, check out my Davinci Resolve course in the description below. See you in the next one.